In this tutorial, we will provide you with an introduction to Empower Mails and its features. Empower Mails integrates seamlessly into Microsoft Outlook, offering a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to access its functions. The most important functions are conveniently grouped together, ensuring a streamlined experience based on valuable customer feedback. One of the key features of Empower Mails is the ability to effortlessly apply different signatures in various languages. This allows you to give your emails a professional look and ensure they meet all legal requirements. Simply click on Manage Signatures to create or edit your signatures according to your preferences.
Once set up, your chosen default signature will be automatically inserted into every new email you compose. Empower Mails also provides the flexibility to use different profiles or send emails on behalf of someone else using their contact data. User information from the connected directory service, e.g. an Active Directory, is saved and updated via profiles.
By accessing the profile button, you can easily create or reference profiles to meet your specific needs. Should you require assistance or wish to make changes to the language settings, Empower Mails offers a help center within the extra group of the Empower ribbon. This ensures you have access to guidance and support whenever you need. By using Empower Mails, you can enhance your email communication, streamline the process of managing signatures, and benefit from a range of convenient features integrated directly into Microsoft Outlook. So feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information about Empower Mails, check out our other tutorials.